Hello and welcome, this is DIYCP and today we're going to do a bricklaying tutorial. So let's get down on the floor. So the first thing we need to do is determine if our floor is level, our footings. And if they're not, make a note which side needs to be raised up or which side needs to be lowered. So now we've done that, we need to set out our building line where our facework is going, and then we're going to draw a line. Put our first brick down where we want to begin and work out where we're going to end. So we're going to put 3 bricks together with a 10mm joint, and then we can take this brick out and keep going down the line until we get to the end where we want to be. Right, so now we've got our line and where we want to begin. Put our muck down. So this should be a 4 and 1. Looking for that 10mm there. And just holding this brick, pushing this one down. Lovely. And then we're just going to put the level on the face of the bricks. And that's our first bit done. This time we're going to obviously put a half on. So we just squish that down, looking to keep this level. Holding that brick. And taking off the excess. Level back on top. There we go. Right, so now we just need to level up the end of the wall. Level up the face. And then from here to the brick that you've just plumbed up here, we'll just tap them over. When we place our level on here, they should all be touching. Bad habit there. I laid this one frog down. Right, so now we've got both ends done, it's time to set up the line. So we've just got a bricklayer's block, so we're just going to place it on top of our brick. Transfer it over to here and tighten it. And tighten it just enough so you've got a bit of strain in there, but not enough to pull that end down. So that should be plenty. So on top of this brick, right, so this should be the easy bit now. Put a nice furrow in. On with the next. So this one should be 75, this one should be 150. That's it, and I think we get the gist of it now. Just keep on going, just keep an eye. Now you've got these bricks down here, you can keep an eye on your perks. Down the wall, this line here should be not touching the brick. Just want it just enough, just so you can nearly see daylight down there. That's it. So for the jointing, you want to do your perks first. And then when you do your corner, I usually put my thumb on the corner so I don't push it out. And the same again on this side. There we are, she's still a little bit wet. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon.